We are doing the website for Hyundai cars in Denmark, and we need to test our prototype. So we're gonna give you three tasks, and yes, we just want to check the working flow. For example, you want to search for this model, Hyundai X20. What would be the first thing you would do on this page?
I would probably press this button and wait for the picture.
Okay. What would you expect to happen if you were going to click on that or hover over it?
Well, I would expect to, some kind of space for typing will appear, or and I will just type.
Is there something that something that you would expect?
Yeah.
Okay. So you would type the model name here. What you would do next?
Well, then I would press this enter button.
Okay. What kind of page do you expect to get?
Then probably a page with pictures of the cars or something. Some, I don't know. The results of the research.
Is this page?
Oh yeah.
Your expectation?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. So what the first thing you notice, like on this page?
Well, yeah, the prototype that I want to see is the first one, and then this one is not that I wanted, but still it's probably similar.
Okay. For example, you want to check out. Okay, this car, this picture is white. Let's imagine it's white, and you want to change the color.
Yeah.
What would you do on here to change the color?
I don't know if I press exterior, if something would change.
Yeah. Is this something that you would expect to get?
Yeah.
So how would you change it? Okay, I understand it's really hard to understand it. But
okay. I don't know. White. Maybe I would press this. And then some colors would appear.
Like drop down menu?
Yeah, like.
Okay, here's okay.
Or
good.
Maybe here are the colors.
Yeah, here are the colors because we don't have color pencils.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And the next step you wanna do are that's the car you want to, and you wanna find you wanna contact the dealer to buy it. What would you do?
I would look for contact, which is okay. It's here. Contact a dealer.
Okay. You would click probably, right?
I would click on it. Yeah.
So, is this page something that the pop-up window is something that you expect to get? What would you do here?
What? Okay. Well, it depends on where I live, probably. So I will look for the closest place.
You live in Kolding.
Okay. So I would look for clothing dealer.
Okay, so you would type it somewhere, or you would look on the map, or what would you do?
Well, I don't think I need to look on the map. I would just I would just type it here. But it's already written here, so I would just click on this.
Okay. Okay, we finished the first task. Okay, our second task is again, you are on the home page. Just take it up. And you want to buy an eco car. You don't know what kind of model specifically you want, but you want to browse for, search for cars and models they offering. What would you do?
Well, I would do the same as before. I would just click on this button and write eco car or something like that.
Okay. Are there any other options? How would you do that?
Maybe showroom.
Okay.
I don't really know what it stands for, but I would expect some, I don't know,
Okay.
cars that you have.
If you would click on it, you would get this kind of drop-down menu.
Oh.
Does it meet your expectations?
Yeah,
Kinda.
yeah, it does, because here I can see echo, so I would press the button now.
If you press it, you would get on this page. Is it something you want to see, or?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
this
these are
box
like the-
with- it's a pictures.
Yeah,
Of the
pictures,
cars,
yeah,
car
that's
names.
what I thought. Okay, yeah, that's what I expected.
If you find some kind of good model for you,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to check more information about it, what would you do?
Well, I would just press the either the picture or the title here, the name of the car.
Is it something you expect to see?
Yes.
This is a picture of the car.
Yeah, I can see more information now.
Okay. For example, let's imagine that you checked all those information and you are not really satisfied with this model. You want to check out other models. What would you do?
I would go back to
So the
showroom.
button is visible enough for you, right?
Yes, it is.
Do you have another comments about this page in general?
I really like it. I like that there are pictures of interior and exterior, and yeah, I like it. I don't know where the price is though.
Okay, right now we just put it here, as exterior, but if you would press in general, that would be actually the default.
Oh yeah.
You would get something like this. as here.
Okay, good.
So the price and model and description would be the first.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what do you think about this front page? What do you see here first?
Yeah, I like the front page. I don't know, I'm just not really sure what these things stand for, but it's maybe just a question of my vocabulary. For example, this is a picture, or
Yeah,
supposed
it's
to be a logo, or logo?
Yeah. Okay. So expect here to see logo, right?
Yeah, that's what I thought. So, yeah, I kind of like it.
I know that it's not really readable here, but what things you would expect to be there, up?
Logo. Oh, okay.
Is it clear enough? Is it a good place for this button, in your opinion? If you would.
I don't know. It depends how important it is for the company to have it there. If it's really important, I would make it bigger or more visible. But if it's something that they don't really need, or it's not that important, then I think it's okay.
And how about this thing? What would you like? What it stands for you?
Okay. Yeah, I don't really know. Maybe it's some more pictures, or if I press it, something more will appear, right?
Okay.
Or no?
Okay. Actually, we were thinking it's scroll down, so you could just scroll down and you could see more.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it clear or
Yeah. If I would be on the website, I would probably push this button. So.